Hello, you are welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be sharing with you how you could possibly fund your Binance account and trade on spot. As we all know, the Binance P2P is currently not working in Nigeria. It has been banned as at, I believe, around last year. So there are still some possible ways by which you can fund your wallet and participate in this particular bull season that we are into, so that you will not get unaware. As you all know, the last shakeout could possibly be the last one, and you could see that all tokens are currently rising, and I believe the altcoin season is about to set in. So if you want my prediction about some certain coins that I believe will do parabolic in this bull season, please kindly comment parabolic, and I can in future create other video to tell you my top 10 coins that I think will possibly do well, although it's not a financial advice. So let's go back to the reason why I'm creating this particular video. So to fund your Binance wallet, you have to have a Binance account, and if you are not having a Binance account, you just have to download one in your Play Store or your App Store. After that, you just have to register with your email or your phone number, and after all set and done, one important security tips you need to do is to set your two-factor authentication using your Google Authenticator and link it to your Binance, so that anytime you are sending phone out or in, you will be notified to actually use your Google Authenticator to authenticate the transaction. So that being said and done, let's go back. So the first thing you have to do is that after coming to the home page, you need to click this hard fund. You tap on it. So you will see these options that you can possibly use to fund your wallet. Some are working in some region and some are not working in some region, so you better use the one that is working in your region. So the first one, we said buy USDT, so buy crypto easily via bank transfer, cards and more. And second one is that we have buy with USDT P2P, and like what I said earlier on, is not working. The P2P is not working in Nigeria. Only trade P2P on Bybit and let's say BitGet. Then we have another option that receive from Binance user. Yes, Binance user, you can use maybe via email or phone ID, and the other one is deposit crypto. So I'll be explaining every one of them in full. So let's tap on the first one, buy USDT. It works based on some specific card. You can see Visa card. With card Visa, that is the master. You can try it if it is working for you in your region. That's been the first one. And the second one is buy with P2P. If P2P is currently working in your country, and maybe I have some other video I've created on how to use P2P. So if you are new to P2P, kindly click on the first one, that no, I am new to P2P. And if you have been trading using P2P and the P2P is working in your country, you have to click on the second one, that yes, I have P2P trading experience. So the choice is yours. So let's go back again and tap on the next one, which is receive from Binance. This is the one I normally use. So receive from Binance, maybe in I belong to a lot of crypto group or some of my mentees that might decide to sell some of their crypto or buy, and a lot of them are using Binance. So I just definitely send my Binance ID to them or my Binance email, and they can just send me crypto. Yes, so you just tap on it. There are a list of coins you can select from. You see the list of coins that they can actually send to you. They can send you USDT direct, and they can send you Tron, they can send you BTC, they can send you a lot of them. Let's go back now from Binance user. So this is my QR code that I can use to receive, that I can send, and they will just send me any coins of their choice. Then you just make payment. So aside this, so let's go to the last one. The last one is deposit crypto, and this also work with Binance to Binance. If you are sending from Binance to Binance, is always free. Maybe you are using the likes of the email or user ID There are also ways of sending coin to another user just free of charge, doesn't need gas fee. I'll be creating a video on how to do this. So you can see that here now, from maybe from another user, you can see that you can send them BTC, Ethereum, USDT, BNB, and a whole lot of other coins that you can send to people via the Binance through their Binance ID or through their Binance email. So these are the list of ways you can fund your wallet on Binance and have your chance of trading on the spot. So if this video was really insightful and helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so you could get notified anytime we drop another video. Please drop your suggestion and improvement in the comment below. You are welcome.